so welcome to Pbtech. I'm Prince, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually install Diplexer plus dual LNB, meaning you are using two Zappa HD decoders in an extra-view installation. You can't use a dual LNB and then install it with an extra decoder. Okay, extra decoder. So with the Zappa HD decoders, you have two Zappa HD decoders right here. With this type of installation, you can use Diplexer and then the dual LNB. So this is how you should do your connection to get your heartbeat signal. Okay, so you have to connect your cables. All right, so with the cable connection, this is how you should do it. Connect a cable from each port of the dual LNB onto the Diplexer. Okay, the Diplexer receiving port right here. Okay, connect it to the receiving port. So one Diplexer here, another Diplexer here. Okay, exactly like this. Okay, so now you need to connect a cable from the satellite side of each Diplexer to the decoder respectively. Okay, so meaning the primary and then the secondary decoder. The primary decoder have to be the decoder that is holding the package, okay, or having a subscription. Okay, so satellite side goes to the decoder respectively. Okay, so one decoder here, and then another decoder right here. All right, and then connect a cable from the antenna side of each of the Diplexer. So that will be the heartbeat cable. Okay, so this is how it should be. All right. Okay, from each decoder to the Diplexer, and then the antenna side have to be your heartbeat cable. Make sure that every cable is well connected. Okay, so after that you have to do the settings. You can just scan them straight away. Universal, you scan them and then you call dstv for the activation. All right, if it happens to be your first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bless up.